I'm not making fun of you. I'm saying
I'm telling you, it starts with a weird feeling or a noise. I swear to God, it starts with a weird feeling or a noise somewhere guttural, and then I'm like, oh, I don't like that. And then once I hit that, I don't like that, and my brain is stuck on it. It is stuck on it, Cameron.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you.
And it will
It's your
go,
sin.
and then it will go, and then it will go, and then it will go, and then you know I really get messed up.
How?
I hit the internet with it. Strange, weird feeling, right side, lower stomach area,
Strange
random
guttural noise near kidney when a little overtired.
And you know what it says? You're gonna die in 3 hours. You're like, go seek medical attention fast. And I'm like, I want insurance. And I'm panicking. That's my regular Tuesdays, dog.
He looks at you looking up in the Uber. It's like, you need to be in a hospital now.